Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's explore Vienna today. Vienna is a beautiful city in Austria and it's known for its artistic legacy and it's known for its palaces and wonderful work by some great artists of the world, and it's a beautiful place to go. So here comes St. Francis of Assisi Cathedral. It was built in 1898. It's a beautiful structure. It's on side of River Danube, which is Europe's second largest river, and it's a beautiful building as you can see. You can go inside also. There are tickets available. This is a horse carriage. They are called fiaker here, and you can take a ride around in this, and it's very comfortable, and if you want, tickets are available online as well as you can take from there also. So this is world's famous dish sake tote. It's a very delicious cake and it's famous all over the world, and you should definitely try it when you go there. And it's a beautiful cafe and yummy recipes. So now we have come out of the cafe. It's a central area in Vienna. Beautiful buildings, beautiful architecture as you can see, and just opposite the cafe there is a building. This is the building. This is opera building. It's a beautiful event. It's a musical event, and I could not get you the video because camera was not allowed inside, but you should definitely see the opera. It's a beautiful event, and you can buy tickets there. They are available, and all online also tickets are available. So you should definitely try it because it's a must when somebody goes to Vienna. So now this is the cafe. Its name is Sacker, and they are the ones who started this dish, and you should definitely try sake tote at this place. It's very famous. That is very famous here is apple strudel. This is Cobb Cafe in Vienna, and it's very famous for its apple strudel. You should definitely try it. We went to Schönbrunn Palace. Uh, it was the main summer residence of Habsburg rulers. Schönbrunn means beautiful spring. It's a wonderful building. It has around 1441 rooms, and it is one of the most important monument in the country. It's a major tourist attraction. So this is Hofburg Palace. It's in the center of Vienna. It was built in 13th century. As we talked about Schönbrunn Palace, that was summer residence, and this is the winter residence. So currently, President of Austria is living in this palace, and this is the official residence and workplace for him right now. It's a very important building here. Just opposite the Imperial Palace, this is Wien Museum. It's a very famous museum here, and tickets are available online and you can get from there also. It's free of cost for first Sunday of each month, and it is free of cost for people less than 19 years. It was built in 1959, and it has a very high quality of artwork here, and they have historic exhibitions also, and people who have interest in these kind of exhibitions should definitely attend that because it's a place which is very famous. Vienna is known for its beauty, art and culture all over the world, and it's a very famous attraction in Central Europe, and you should definitely visit these places and they have their own value. So talking about souvenirs, Vienna is very famous for its chocolates, and this is one brand Manner which is very famous here, and also sake tote, which is a very delicious dish, and you can get it packed and it remains fine for some days, so you should definitely get it. And also chocolates which are very famous all around the world, and also there are Austrian dresses which are very famous, and they are unique in their own way. So you can get all these things as a souvenir from there, and it was a it is a wonderful place to visit. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon because it will give you my regular video updates. See you in the next video. Ciao, take care.